I'm Jana at Granite Bakery, and we're going to talk a little bit now about icing flowers. You can make flowers out of fondant, but you can also make flowers out of icing. And you'll need a good stiff icing. We use a rose icing, and it can be colored just like fondant with food coloring. And after you've colored your icing, you'll add it to a decorator's bag. We're going to use a rose tip, and from that tip we're going to apply the icing to a nail. The rose nail you can turn in your hand as you work. So you'll squeeze icing with one hand and you'll turn the nail with the other. You'll build up a center and then you'll add your petals, and your rose can be small or it can be large depending on how many petals you add. So we're going to make purple roses, and then we're also going to show you the technique to make pink chrysanthemums. It's the same icing used for roses, we've just colored it a different color, and there is a different tip that you use. Every tip that you use will create a different shaped petal, and these just go on one petal at a time, and when you're done you can apply them to the cake in your own style. Again, I'm Jana at Granite Bakery, and we've just talked and shown you a little bit about icing flowers, both roses and chrysanthemums, different tips and different colors, and remember, practice makes perfect.